Hi guys, how to change Android control panel to iOS Control Center. Now, go to the Google Play Store and search for an iOS Control Center app. Pick one with high ratings and good reviews. Tap Install to download it onto your Android device. This is the secret to making your Android look like an iPhone. Once installed, locate the app on your home screen or app drawer and tap to launch it for the first time. Here is where most people get stuck, so pay close attention. The app will ask for several system permissions like overlay or modify system settings. Don't skip these. Follow the on-screen prompts to allow everything, otherwise the control center won't work at all. Inside the app settings, choose your preferred layout, color, and which shortcuts you want to appear. Think Wi-Fi, brightness, music, or even screen recording. Make it yours. Now flip the main toggle to On to activate your new iOS-style control center. Keep watching because the next step shows you exactly how to use it without breaking anything. That's it. Just swipe from your chosen edge of the screen, top, bottom, or side, to access the panel.